BOOQ's most important function is the ability to search, discover, and book available talent. First-time users will be asked to subscribe to one of our paid subscriptions and then create a project in order to book talent. To search for talent, you will create a project, and within that project, you will add the roles you need for your team. We recommend doing this at the start so you can keep better track of which roles have and have not been filled. Once you've created a project, click the plus fab below. Enter the practice area, role you are hoping to fill, rate type, and rate amount. Then, enter the day or dates of your assignment and a brief description of the project or the work the talent will be performing. Click Save and the role will be added. If your team requires multiple people performing the same job, you can click the ellipses, then duplicate that role. You may also change the search criteria for positions that have the same title but different requirements. Once you've added all the roles you need, tap Find on each of them, and a list of available talent that meet that criteria will appear. Each of these talent cards will have all of the options you may do next. You can offer them a booking, request a hold, or review portfolios from this page. You will also find a drop-down menu where you can further refine your search. Another useful feature of BOOQ is the ability to only see people you have already booked to your database. Click Search Only My Contacts, and only the people you know will appear in the search. This helps you quickly find talent you have already worked with and prefer. Now you're ready to start making offers and watch your list of roles change to a list of talent booked on your project.